Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So real quick video. I just wanted to show you guys my actual SPY put position. It's expiring January 21st for next year. I spent about 5,000 bucks on this, and even right now, I think SPY is dropped. What? I mean, it dropped pretty heavy from 422 down to 418. And we actually broke previous lows of. I just saw it break previous lows of 418.77. So I'm gonna go in through some quick TA on the SPY and just kind of see where it actually looks right now. But so far right now, we'll see. I mean, it's too early to actually call what's gonna happen. Again, I am waiting until the end of June to figure out if SPY is actually bearish or not. But yeah, just basically hedging. I did buy a couple months out, almost like about 6 7 months out. Um, just to kind of play this out, I want to see how the SPY actually reacts to basically everything that's happening right now. And so far, it does look like it broke lows, previous lows of 418.77. We're at 418.38. If we do break these lows of 418.77, I do think next stop from here is probably going to be somewhere like 416, then 405. So I mean, anything in this area has to get broken. I think next stop is going to be like 405 again, which is basically around that 400 strike that I bought to basically get hit. So we'll see. I'll probably update TA a little bit later today.